Good morning. This is Frank Coe, and I'd like to share with you comments regarding why it's so important to hire a full-time electronics technology instructor. Let's go ahead and share my screen and get going with this. All right. The program simply will not survive without a full-time instructor for ESYS, Electronic Systems Technology. The things that a full-time instructor are engaged in are numerous in support of the program. Number one is our community outreach to increase enrollment. This cannot occur without a full-time instructor. You can see the promotional posters that have been created, each one with QR codes that have been put into social media, such as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, WeChat, and TikTok, to promote our programs. And as people see these posters, they can click on the QR code and immediately be brought to a video that describes our program on YouTube, as well as a separate QR code that will take them directly to admissions for enrolling in our courses. Next, an instructor, full-time instructor, is engaged in promoting internships as well as job preparation, resume helps, mock interviews. This cannot occur without a full-time instructor. Our ESYS students have gained their knowledge in our certificate and programs, have gone on to work in industry as new hires to companies like Tesla, East Bay Mud, Alameda Water District, Skyworks, which is a $30 billion a year company. Most notable success story is our little 18-year-old who just was hired by Skyworks, that $30 billion chip company. And she is working as an intern and earning with earnings in the range of $50,000 a year. Not bad for an 18-year-old who friends are still playing video games. A full-time instructor develops curriculum. We've recently developed and changed our curriculum 2020, 21, and 22. And the most recent changes have been to bring in the non-credit courses, which have improved significantly the enrollment, as well as been a service to the local community for people who want to improve their skills. Next, the program review cannot occur without a full-time instructor. Budgeting for annual supplies, consumables, contracts for software, forecasting for program needs, all of this has to be done by a full-time instructor. Adjuncts do not do this responsibility at all. Another area that's really important is program-specific counseling. This also cannot occur without a full-time instructor. Students come to us with all kinds of questions and needs that they have regarding how they fit in the program, what they should take this quarter, what they should take next quarter, how can they best prepare for the job marketplace, inquiries that come in from new interests. All of these have to be addressed, and they're best addressed by a full-time instructor. So for all of these reasons, this program will not survive without a full-time instructor, as we presently do not have a full-time instructor. So I thank you very much for your interest and concerns in sustaining this program. And I hope that the committee will be able to see it through to bring in this process to the next stage where we can post and interview for a full-time instructor. Thank you very much again for your interest and your attention.